About this item: electric plug product specification, 6 feet 1.8 meters power cable NEMA 5-15P to IEC 60320 C518 AWG 125B10A, max, jacket rating, SJT jacket material, PVC color, black, temperature range, 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, cable outer diameter, 0.3 in, 7.62 millimeters. Electric plug high quality replacement cable, UL listed, UL 62 and UL 817, fully molded strain relief C5 connector for durability, fire rating, BW13 conductor notebook power cable made with 100% copper wire, 100% high voltage, open short tested. The heavy duty power cord features a 3-pin shroud female, IEC 320C13, connector on one end and a 3-prong grounded plug male, NEMA 5-15P, on the other end. Electric plug compatibility, AC power cord NEMA 5-15P works with North American outlets. IEC C5 connector works with most power bricks for laptops/notebooks, monitors, scanners, printers, and more. Replacement laptop power supply cable/cord fully molded, designed for reliable, resilient, maximum safety, durability and long life. Electric plug compatible model, HP Pavilion, Envy Touch Smart Sleek Book, Illit eBook, Folio, ProBook, ZBook, Toshiba Satellite, Acer Aspire,